Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to go ahead and harvest this ginger. I planted these, I think it was in February or January of this year. It's now, today is December 1st. So I think they're ready for harvesting. Oh, see, this one is already about to flower right here. But I think they're ready. Some of the leaves have started dying off. Maybe some are not quite ready, but I'll go ahead and harvest them, just the same. And let's see what we have. I'll find I think I took pictures the day I planted them. I'll find those pictures and put them and overlay them on this video. But you can see the ginger right there. And it's in a grow bag. I think this is a 20-gallon grow bag, or maybe 15. So I'll take that grow bag and dump it in this cart, and we'll see what we have. Okay, so let's get started. Okay. 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 So this bag has a hole, so I won't save it. Okay. All right. Let's see what we have. Oh. The roots were all the way at the bottom. They're probably gonna break through the bag. Oh, okay. They're small, but we have ginger. I broke that one. So I think these were 3 pieces of ginger. There were very few that I planted, so for that, I think this is a decent harvest. For that. Okay. Right. I think that's everything. It's a tiny one. Okay. So this is what we have. Okay. Let me go ahead and rinse them. Okay, been rinsed off. This is what we have. The smell so strong. Smell great. Let's see. Okay. We'll go ahead and cut off the stalks. Huh. Is this the mother root? I don't know. Look at that. If you're hearing noises, the dogs are playing around me, so you might see dogs jumping in and out of frame, but that's what's happening. So once I rinse this off, I'll let them cure for a few days. Before I use them. Okay, that's all of them. Oh, I need to clean up these roots. Okay, I'll go ahead and rinse them again. This is what we have. And once I rinse them, I'll come back and show you the final look. Okay, they've been rinsed off. They are done. This is what we have. It smells great. The dogs are going crazy. Oof. Oof. I think this was a good harvest. Yeah, look at this. So, I'm very happy with this. Look at that. So I'll let them dry for a few days before I store them, and that should cure them. Okay, with this, I'll stop here, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.